Today we're going to set up a brand new Mayhem Marketplace storefront and add our first product to it in just a matter of minutes. I've already done the application form, I've gotten accepted, I've created my seller account and logged in for the first time. Now it's asking me to make up my store address. So I'm going to call it callmebk.mayhem.my. Claim my page. Now it's going to ask me to name the basics of my store. Let's subtitle Mayhem Maker and description making fidget rings and also mayhem. And hit save on that. Now it asks to add my most basic social handles, which I'll do real quick. And it's going to ask me for my phone number. I'm not going to do this right now, but you should put it in, get the verification code, verify your phone number, and then the onboarding thing is going to take you to this payment links page. This is where you put in how you want to get paid by your customers. So I'm gonna make up a fake PayPal because I don't actually have one for me. So let's put in paypal.me/callmebk. So this is the link my customers are going to get when they buy a product from my storefront. So now the very basics of my store are already set up. Let's walk through the dashboard super quick. Your page's basics, landing page settings. This is where you can change your address. You can change the basic information. We can even add a background image, which I'm going to drag in right now. To upload this, save basics, boom, that's me. Font and color, we can change this. I like Jost for mine, and we can change all of these colors, which is very easy to make look ugly. But at the top, we can now visit the storefront in a new tab, and this is what my page looks like so far. It's only been a couple of minutes. Now we can move on to adding my first product. Hit products. I want to list one of my fidget rings, so we're going to call it the one fidget ring. The one fidget ring to rule them all. And let's list it for $10, at least initially. So we hit create. This product is not yet for sale. Update it below. So we're going to go through all of these little boxes and fill them out. Main image. Let's upload a new one. And we always want an image for our products. So let's drag and drop that in. Extended description. This is optional, but, you know, customers like reading more about it. This is a 3D printed plastic fidget ring. And you'll see where this shows up in just a second. And now we just answer some quick questions. Select a category, 3D prints. We can let the customer send me a message when they're purchasing, ordering instructions, use... I recommend the ring size for your index finger. Is this product made by you? Yes. For sale? Yes. I do want to list it right now so we can look at it and list in the public marketplace. Let's go. So I've now saved all these settings. This product is for sale, and the top right now says view this product on your storefront here. Here it is. This is my one fidget ring. This is the short description. Oops, I clicked to expand. This is the extended description, instructions from seller, and now people can come here and actually order this ring from me. And now if we go back to my main storefront page, we can see my beautiful product. But we can do more. There's more details we can add to these products. Oh, and by the way, it seems like I've clicked out of my dashboard. So what I'm going to do is just scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, seller login, and I can log right back in to the dashboard. So now let's add some more media to our product. A lot of people miss these tabs up top, but don't forget them. We can add an entire media gallery with photos and videos right here. And you just drag your file in. You can caption them. Caption. Yay. And upload that picture, and now it's there. And we can do this a couple of other times for some more media. I'm not going to caption these, but you can and you should, because customers like captions. And now, again, we can click on View this product on your storefront here. And we now have a media gallery of all these extra images I've added. And hey, a ring on my finger. But that's not all we can do. We can also go to the stock and variants page and set up different size or color rings. So let's scroll down, and instead of a quantity variant, let's do size. And let's just put small, and the sizes, they're all going to be the same price, so we don't need to mess with different prices. Size medium, save that one. Size large. You know, if I were setting this up for real, I would indicate that large is, you know, whatever ring size, I don't know, 9, or I don't know what I have it as. But these are our variants. You can also track stock for these, and I can say that I only have 4 small rings in stock right now, but I don't need to track stock for these. And you can also do the same for color. So, for example, gold and black set, and I have a silver and black set. And there's a cobalt and black set. And now if I wanted to, I could add a all colors variety pack, 6 pieces, at a discount, right? Normally, all 3 colors would cost $30, but instead, let's make this variety pack cost $25. It's a slight discount. And so now we have that in there. And let's go back to our product page, see what it looks like. And now, when the customer scrolls down, they can pick their size, they can pick their color, and this will also update their price. Okay, so now let's take a look at how to process this order as a seller. For a second, I'm going to pretend to be a customer. I'm going to order the variety pack in large with some fake shipping information. I'm going to hit order and pay. Now, as the seller, I've just gotten a text message saying that this order has come in, but it's unpaid. The customer now has to go pay me on PayPal. And this is how the basic seller account works. You just list your PayPal, your Cash App, your Venmo. They go pay you, and then you mark your order as approved in your dashboard. So now, back in the dashboard, this is the products dashboard, but under orders, I now have an order from my test customer in. And it's listed as unpaid because the system doesn't know if they paid it through random Cash App or PayPal or Venmo. So right now, it's on you to wait for that notification. But when that notification does come in, you click Mark as Paid, and now this order is updated. And now the attention it needs is that it needs shipping. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to build the one fidget ring. I'm going to put it in an envelope. I'm going to click here. I'm going to copy their address, put it on a shipping label. I'm going to go to USPS, ship it, not Media Mail, but Ground Advantage or whatever they call it. I'm going to get the tracking number back, ABCD, and then finally I mark it as shipped. And now the ring is on its way to the customer because I've dropped it off at USPS or UPS or however I'm sending it. And the customer has gotten their notification back. So processing an order is that easy. It's just a couple of clicks, except for the fact that you actually have to make and ship the product. A couple of notes here. The shipping price is included in the product price. So your customers, when they see this $25, they're just going to pay you $25 and expect that shipping is included. So include shipping costs in your price unless you have some kind of unique shipping situation where you need to offer different shipping levels. And then you can set your different shipping levels. But here you set the total price of the order. You don't set how much extra shipping is. You set how much the order is with this shipping option. So that's one thing to look out for. And also note that on the order page, when a customer goes to buy something, this manual process of going to PayPal and sending you a payment and then you clicking Mark as Paid, that's only for our basic accounts. The standard accounts let you hook up a credit card processor and the customer can put in their credit card or their PayPal right here, order it right here on the page, and it automatically gets marked as paid in your dashboard. And I encourage you to get curious about the dashboard and click around. There's a lot of stuff in here, and we're always adding new stuff. The social media links page, there's a lot of options in here for other icons you can put across the top. We haven't even talked about the link tree, but you could add any custom links to any destination you want. You can pick an icon out of this big list, or you can upload a custom image with it. Custom pages like an about page or mission statement page. Standard accounts get a blog too. The support link in the dashboard is very important. We actually read and respond to your support tickets. We're constantly improving the platform. So if you have a bug, if you have a suggestion, write it here. We really want to know. And finally, check our account and plan page under plan and upgrades. This is how you can upgrade, and this is all it will ever cost. We don't do transaction fees. We don't do listing fees. We won't take a percentage from your transactions, and you'll never need to pay for ads because our philosophy is very simple. If it costs us money, it costs you money. If it doesn't cost us money, it doesn't cost you money. And our job here is just to give you these tools. It doesn't cost us more money if you're selling a $100 product versus a $3 product. We don't need the percentage. We just need you to come in and use the tools and pay us a fair amount of money for the work we've done so that you can also get a fair amount of money for the work you've done. And then everyone will be happy. Anyway, thanks so much for checking out this silly little screencast. And please reach out on the Discord, reach out in a support ticket, reach out to either Jackie or myself on TikTok or on Blue Sky or on Instagram. We're everywhere now, and we're putting money and power back in the people's hands. Thank you.